Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open up our WhatsApp right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is to go on to the settings page. So to do that, just click on the settings option at the bottom right hand corner. And you should be at this page. After that, let's click on this account option right above the chats option. And from here, we click on the privacy option. Just click on that. And once we scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the read receipts option right here under the disappearing messages section. So if you turn off the read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. So I currently have it off. So if you have it turned it on, the toggle button would look like this. It will turn green like that. So if you want to turn it off, just simply click on this toggle button right here to have that grayed out, because that means that you have your read receipts turned off. Also, you need to take note that read receipts are always sent for group chats. So that is how you can basically turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.